In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Lili online banking password. If you found yourself locked out of your account, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to regain access quickly and easily. Whether you're using the web app or the mobile app, these steps will help you set a new password without any hassle. First things first, head over to the login screen of your Lili online banking app. This can be the web app on your computer or the mobile app on your smartphone, whichever is more convenient for you. Once there, you'll notice an option that says, I need help logging in. Go ahead and select this option. It's designed to assist you whenever you encounter issues logging into your account, making it the first stop on our journey to resetting your password. After selecting the help option, you'll see another prompt that says, I forgot my password. This step is crucial because it lets the system know that you need to initiate a password reset process. So be sure to click or tap on that. Don't worry if this takes a moment, as the system is just preparing the next steps for you. Next, you'll need to follow a series of prompts. These prompts are designed to verify your identity to ensure the security of your account. You may be asked to confirm some details, perhaps through an email, a text to your phone, or by answering security questions that you previously set up. This step is really important because it protects your account from unauthorized access while still allowing you to securely reset your password. Once you've completed the verification process, you'll receive a password reset link. This link is usually sent to the email address associated with your Lili account. It might appear in your inbox or occasionally in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it right away. When you find the email, click on the password reset link contained within it. This link will direct you to a secure page where you can set a new password. When creating this new password, remember to choose something strong and secure, typically a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters that you haven't used for this account before. This helps keep your account safe from any potential breaches. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Lili online banking password. Remember, maintaining a strong and unique password is key to ensuring your account stays secure. Now you can log back into your Lili account with confidence, knowing your information is protected. If you have any further questions or face any additional issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Lili's customer support for assistance. I hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching.